Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you one of my favorite boats from Grady-White. This is the 251 Coastal Explorer. We'll go ahead and start in the back. We do have the 300 horsepower Yamaha. It's got the white finish to it. Looks very nice with the boat. Back here, these seats actually flip up, give you a backrest, and there's a cushion package for this entire area. The backrest is on the port and starboard side. Easily folds down, gets out of the way. Right here we have one of two live wells in the boat. The next live well is in the leaning post, right here at the helm. Plenty of room in there to keep your live bait nice and fresh for you. So now we're at the helm. This is a tilt steering wheel, so you can put it whichever position that you like. You can definitely sit here comfortably, steer the boat nice and easily, and have a perfect field of view. Right here we have plenty of room to put whatever electronics in you want. Say a touchscreen Garmin display and a VHF, we can link those via NEMA network to make sure you're nice and safe and it's all reliable while you're out on the water. Right back here in the gunnels we have locking rod storage. So you can open this up. This is where your reel section of the rod goes in. Covers it up. You can lock it so no one can take advantage of your boat just sitting there, and it keeps it protected from the elements. Going to the front of the boat, we have this huge platform area. So this right here actually converts into a table and goes into this base, so you can sit right here with your friends and have a drink on your dinner cruise. Or you can remove all these cushions, put them in the head area, and you have a huge platform to walk around and sight fish. Definitely a fun boat. It has freshwater and raw water washdowns throughout. Like I said, ahead, and like I said, also, it's one of my favorite Grady-Whites. So come by and see me. My name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston.